Hey guys, running Kimono here. So this is a little bit of last minute Walgreens shake and bake doing deals over, and I'm just going to go through them in case you missed them earlier in the week. Quick little deal with some Pantene and Shea Moisture, along with I didn't want to forget to get my 2 Olays. We have that 4 off of 2 digital, so still a great little deal for that. And then a quick little Rite Aid deal. I finally got a deal to work where this is a $4 money maker, so hopefully Ravi doesn't unfriend me. And as you can see, Pumpkin is having his lunch right there. And there's little gray Suzu. Let's see if she comes over if I open this up. I absolutely adore this cat. Susie, you wanna say hi? Oh, she's being shy, but we just fed her lunch and she is such an adorable cat. I absolutely love her. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a fantastic day, and kind of a cool brisk one out here today, but not the worst thing. Okay, so Walgreens. So you guys know that we have that really goofy deal this week that if you buy 6 items at $4.99, you'll get back $10 in Walgreens cash. And yes, you can use points to earn points for this one. So that's precisely what I did. I did it 2 different transactions. As you guys know, I spent $50 on Sunday and got that goofy $10 off any P&G. And so I used it for this transaction. And then the second transaction, I got the cashier, I gave her, I think, 4 register rewards for this, and it reduced the price down considerably. So if you might have gotten that $10 really goofy coupon, I'll explain what I did. 4 of these. So these are $4.99 and they're usually like $7.99. The Cascade liquid and the pods. So the price for these 6 items right here is $29.94. They're $4.99 each, guys. So I presented that 10 off. The cashier had to key it in. It would not scan for whatever bizarre reason. And then I used $20 in Walgreens cash. I basically paid down the tax, and then I got back my $10 back. This stuff to get it this inexpensive, I am okay with, you know, rolling and upcycling, whatever you want to say, my Walgreens cash to get something that I really want for the household. And then the next transaction, I grabbed 3 more of these at $4.99, and then these Cascade with Dawn's, I mean, they're massive, and these are also $4.99. So 3 and 3, that's $29.94. Now I asked the cashier to scan every single one individually because I had 4 register rewards and I wanted the register rewards to attach. So if the cashier would have scanned 1 and keyed in 2, scanned 1, keyed in 2, I could only use 2 register rewards. But because she scanned in every single one, I had the line limit to accept the coupons for each line on the receipt. Hopefully that makes sense. But if you ever, you can't get your register rewards to attach, that's why. Because whenever they start batch scanning, where it's like to scan 1 item and then to key in 2 more, that's what precisely happens. So anyhow, this was $29.94 for the 6 items. 4 register rewards at $4 a pop came off, so that's 16 bucks, guys. So the new total is $13.94. I threw in $10 of Walgreens cash. I paid $3.94 and then got back another $10 of Walgreens cash. So that is really fantastic. Potatoes, household stuff that we always need, and to get this at Walgreens for $4.99 a pop, I mean, great deal. Even without manufacturer coupons, I did so many deals with register rewards this week, and I had that goofy $10 off coupon that I was like, I'm gonna try this 2 more times. So I was very delighted with this. Also, there's Gain Pods, Gain Liquid, and they also have the massive Dawn dish soaps. They have a whole myriad of new items for this, so I really loved this you know, buy 6 at $4.99, get back $10 in Walgreens cash. I think it's a great, great deal. This deal is kind of thrown together. I grabbed 3 of these Pantenes and they're $3.99 a pop. In the April P&G, we have a 5 off of 3. And then these Shea Moistures are 2 for $5. So this is $10, and then with these 3, that's $11.97 for a total of $21.97. I presented the one 5 off of 3, along with 2 5 off of 2s from a recent insert. So I had to pay $6.97 cash out of pocket. When you spend $20 on various shampoo, Pantene and Shea Moisture are included. So I paid that $6.97 cash out of pocket, got back my $5 of Walgreens cash. So it shaked this out to $1.97 for the 7 items, or 28 cents each. Not too shabby. And I did a really stupid move, and this cracked open and some of this spilled. And I gotta say, this Pantene, for whatever reason, smells amazing. So I think I might just use that tonight because it smells really, really good. So this is a nice one. Last little dealio that we have is with the Olay body wash. These guys are 2 for $12. We have a very generous 4 off of 2 digital coupon. So after that, I used $5 of Walgreens cash. I paid 3 out of pocket and then got back $4 register rewards. So not the worst little deal. And these are massive body washes, and I love them so much. So happy to get 2. So just, you know, shaking and baking a couple deals over at Walgreens. This one's new, but some of these are really fantastic. I still could not find that AccuView contact lens solution. So I'm thinking in my market, they just don't sell it. But hey, it's not, you know, I'm not going to lose a lot of sleep over that. But very delighted that I could get so much more of this. And I was shocked that there was so much of this merchandise left in the store. Like, nobody wants to do this deal. So I will definitely stock up on these items that I use for the household. Hey guys, the last little dealio that we have is with the spend 50, get back $15 in bonus cash. They have the flyer one, they have one that's an email, and they also have one that was on Facebook. So, got Morris the cat running there. What a beautiful cat. So I think that is somebody's pet. Look, he's scared of the camera. I'm shy. And she's like, come here, get nice food. Okay. Okay, so over at Rite Aid, we have quite the little dealio. They have the spend 50, get back $15 in bonus cash. You can do it once per store card, but they have an email version, they have the flyer version, and they also have a Facebook coupon. So that's what I utilized today, and it worked. So I'm very delighted with that. So I finally found one of these got to be playful. So I think I'll look like this lady once I put the blue dye in my hair. Shout out to Ravi and Mrs. Empty Nester. They've been talking about this for a while. I have not been able to find this, but I finally found one today. This is on clearance for $1.74. IBOTTA is giving back $2.50. It makes this guy free plus a 76-cent moneymaker. I got one of those weekend things, like do 8 rebates, get back $3. So this will definitely came into handy. And then these hair dyes are all on clearance for $2.87. I had $4 off ones from a recent insert, so it gave me a little bit of overage for each one. So I wasn't shy to get that. And then the little hand soap for this 9 Elements, a new P&G line. This is $3.99 with your gold discount, $3 digital coupon, dropping it down to 99 cents. Since I had so much overage from this lady, I was okay with throwing that in the basket. And then to make the basket closer to $50, I went vitamin crazy again. I got these melatonins, $12.99 on a buy one, get one free, and elderberry on a buy one, get one free at $14.99. And you take this before you're feeling sick. And this sort of stuff I'm taking a lot of lately, a lot of supplements, because I do not want to get COVID and get really sick and then to not provide you guys with these deals and, you know, cat commentary and all that stuff. All the vitamins, guys, this was $42.97. The hair dye was $11.48, $3.99, and then $1.74 for this. So the total for all of this stuff was $60.18. Now I presented 3 $2 coupons for the Nature's Truth, and then 4 $4 coupons for this, and I had 1 $3 digital for that. So after all of the coupons, and of course I got the cashier to scan the Facebook coupon, which was $15 back when you spend $50. So I qualified with this basket because I had well over $60. So after all my coupons came off, it was $35.18. I basically rolled bonus cash I already had on the store card. And then I got back $20 for buying all of this Nature's Truth vitamins. I got back $15 for the basket, so that's $35 right there. I got back $2.50 for my IBOTTA for this, and then $2 for my IBOTTA for this, so an extra $4.50. So after everything said and done, guys, this was free plus a $4.32 money maker. Now I had every intention on getting a bunch of these at $3.99 and using the $3 coupon from the April P&G. My very good friend Ravi told me, he's like, hey Rach, listen to this, that $3 coupon's a beeper. So it was a little bit more advantageous for me to get the hair dye because I didn't want any beeping coupons because, you know, I didn't really know the store I was shopping at today, and I just didn't want any trouble at checkout. So unfortunately, just word to the wise, that very generous $3 coupon is beeping, so just be mindful of that. But I'm very happy to get at least one of them. I know a lot of you that have a Target are getting these, and unfortunately we don't have a Target here, and to drive like 3 hours return to go to Target is just, I mean, I pay more in gas than what this is worth, but still happy to try one of these, and I like the lemon one. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Get out to Walgreens. These are killer deals, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.